The new Alpine A110S is a high-performance sports car with a 300 horsepower engine, a sport chassis, and optional semi-slick tires. It comes with a custom-made aerodynamic kit and features adjustable Seatbelt sport seats, aluminum sport pedals, and a microfiber-covered interior with orange overstitching. The car is capable of reaching speeds of up to 275 km per hour thanks to its optional Michelin PS Cup 2 Connect semi-slick tires and aerodynamic kit, which includes a carbon rear spoiler, front blade, and longer front fairings. It is designed for drivers who value precision and a dynamic driving experience, and is ideal for use on the track. It is a high-performance sports car that offers a thrilling driving experience for enthusiasts. It is part of a range of Alpine vehicles that all have their own distinctive characters and territories. The new A110S is powered by a 4-cylinder 1.8 turbo engine and features a Getrag 7-speed automatic gearbox with a dual wet clutch, which helps to deliver agile and responsive handling. The sport chassis of the new A110S has been designed specifically to accommodate the full power of the 300 horsepower engine. In addition, the new A110S features a custom-made aerodynamic kit that helps to improve its performance and stability at high speeds. Inside, the new A110S boasts top-of-the-range features such as adjustable Seatbelt sport seats on 2 rails, aluminum sport pedals, and a microfiber-covered interior with orange overstitching, if you opt for the microfiber pack and racing seats. The exterior of the car is also distinctive, with chromium black Alpine lettering, bright black 18-inch GT race rims, and orange brake calipers. Overall, the new Alpine A110S is a sports car that is designed for drivers who enjoy a dynamic and exhilarating driving experience, and it is equipped with a range of performance-enhancing features that help it deliver its full potential on the track. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.